Welcome back, Friday, had paella for tea. Welcome back to my Mk1 restoration. Hopefully you've been following since the start. If you're just joining me and it's your first video tonight, welcome. Have a good look back. Got lots of videos of how to do things and how not to do things. So yeah, what we're going to do tonight. It's a bit cold out here. Not as cold as it has been though. It has been colder. So I think I'll get the old wire brush on this and try and clean a lot of this up so we can see. And then yeah, we've got to think about starting to repair some of this. Obviously I've still got the door spot welding, but I'm just thinking while I've got the car upside down, I'm just going to do a lot of do a bit of this area, and then we can go from there. All right, wire wheel on the angle grinder. Be safe, kids, because it's a dangerous tool. Alright, clean up the edge a little bit. There's still loads more to clean, but hopefully the shot blaster will get into that when he comes, even with the wing on, I think, because we can rotate the whole car. So I'm not going to waste too much effort. Although I should go over it, because it's easier to repair it now than it is to see when the shot blaster does it, but we'll see. So yeah, getting there, just took the door switch out. Get a bit of cure rust on the inside of this just to try and kill some of the surface rust. Stop it spreading, yeah, cut some of these layers off here, see what we're going, try and clean out as much of the rust as we can, and see what we're left with. I don't know if that's, I can see some pot rivets down here, definitely some filler. Can't tell if that's or not. Not looking good. That's not looking good at all. Oh, you bloody arses. Thing. There's an aluminium patch in it. Let's get the wire wall on it, clean it up, see what we've got. I thought the Scuttle was good. Damn it. Okay, weld the thing over, get a better look at it. Cover your ears, I'm just going to do a bit of banging. Trying to see where, I'm thinking maybe the scuttle's alright. I think they've just poked a bit of aluminium in. Well, it's not alright, but I was worried about the top part being. Yeah, let's get the wire brush on it. There's a lot of filler in there. Well, we found an aluminium plate, another one. Get that little bugger out. Come on. There we go. So yeah, they use it just to patch this little hole here. When fitting the fiberglass front end years ago, I guess. But anyway, key thing is, top part looks pretty good. So all we need to do is just remake this lower half. I don't know how much we'll have to do, but we'll try and keep the bare minimum. So yeah, could have been worse, could have been better. underneath it doesn't look too bad. Hard to tell if it's original or not. I think it is. Yeah. Well, let's put the angle grinder on it and cut a few bit of the rust out. Alright, well, after finding a bit of rust, it's a Friday. I'm going to just end on just test fitting a few panels and see how they go. A panel's just going on. Needs to come down or come up depending on which way you're looking, or if you're in Australia. Yeah, so again, Magnum pattern panel, so can't guarantee everything's right on it. The other side didn't go in too bad. You just straighten some of these edges up where they do the fold. But yeah, I'm just trial fitting it, not going on yet because obviously you've still got to repair the inner wing. And then we also got then the A panel to go on. So yeah, you can just see hopefully at the top there, you can see how far it is. And you can see why these things rust, because you've got metal there, flat area of metal, laid over with another big flat bit of area of metal. And so basically, yeah, water gets in there, condensation, just rust those out big time. So that's a good reason why they didn't stay, I don't expect, let alone the hinges not being the strongest. So anyway, yeah, bit of rust, can cope with it, as always, but as always, just delays things, doesn't it? But yeah, getting there. So what we also then need to start thinking about is fixing up the old door, because we're going to need to be able to hang that soon and actually try that before we mount any of these panels. So we need the door on for that. So yeah, we're left with that at the moment, where the door is. Let me just go get the door. Shut the damn camera off. Alright, I hope the video is roughly in the right place to see this. So yeah, this is our driver's door that we bought off eBay originally. Even before we even got the car, I think. So anyway, yeah, it's a bit worse than the passenger side that we had. Door skin's got to go on, so yeah, we've got this bottom edge to repair. We've got that repair panel, it's just a pattern one. The trickiest bit is going to be trying to repair this channel in the door frame. I need to have a real think, because it is just savable, but there's a lot of work here. And if I can pick up another knackered door frame, I've got everything else to repair a door. I've got the door skin in the bottom, so if I can just find one with a bit more solid at the top here, it might save me a bit of time, because yeah, this is all going to have to be remade. I don't know if you can buy them separately. Yeah, I've been ignoring this door a bit. So yeah, let's have a go inside and have a quick trawl of eBay. See what Mk1 doors we can find. Because what we thought was a bargain for 2 doors, it's turned out to be an average price for 1 door. But we'll think about that. Maybe it's savable, but it's just a lot of work. Alright guys, have a good weekend. We'll catch you Monday, and we've got to keep going. Lots more to do. Bye.